How to schedule an email on your iPhone. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, what you want to do is simply open up your email, of course, and then at the bottom right, you can create a new email in order to send it to someone. So click on there. Then at the top, of course, you have to fill in an email address. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Then you can also enter a subject. So let's say I'm just going to put YouTube video like that, and then blah, blah, blah. Now, in order to actually schedule an email on your iPhone, what you want to do is instead of immediately clicking on send, you want to hold the send button. So if you hold it just like that, you can either click on send now, send tonight, or send later. And if you click on send later, you can actually put in a custom time. So if you click on there, here, as you can see, we can now select any day we want. So let's say Friday the 7th, and then at the top, you can also see the time. So I'm going to click now on the time, and I'm going to put that to, for example, at 5 p.m. And then at the bottom, you can even set a time zone, which is pretty cool, actually. Because let's say, you know, as you can see, I have the time zone of Amsterdam. But let's say I have to send an email to someone in America. Then I can simply change it to their time zone and then schedule it to their time zone so that they would exactly get it at, for example, 8 a.m. in the morning. So that's actually pretty cool. And once you've done that, you can actually click on done. And then you can actually click on send at the top right. And then you will send it to that person on that time. So that's great. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time. Have a good day.